In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily find the best working StockX promo code or coupon code or discount code in October 2022. That is quite simple and easy to do, so let's begin. And first, open up web browser and here at the search box type in StockX promo code and then hit search. It moves you to that web page where you can find a lot of different websites that offers you free coupon codes. You can open up any of them and here you can check those coupon codes. For example, the first one gives me 10% off at StockX. I can tap on that to see that coupon code and then I can hit on that to select it and tap at copy to copy it to clipboard. Next, I can move on to StockX website or to its application where I can use that coupon code before I pay any money and then I have to double check if that promo code is applied. If for some reason that promo code doesn't work, you can always go back to that site or you can use another site and from here try to use another promo code. Just copy it and enter in promo code field. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like and subscribe.